Tim Moore here with TLC Pressure Washing, and we're out at this house, and it's really pretty dirty. But one thing I noticed is when I was pre-treating the concrete, and I stepped. No, you can't see that. Hold on. Okay. I can do splits. This shit is slicker than snot when it's wet, and it's such a grade. We're sitting at about this type grade right now. About what that would be. About that grade, which means if this thing's wet, you could slide off it really easily. And that is one of the things about cleaning and keeping something clean is the coefficient of friction with all this mold and mildew and oh, ain't no telling. Could have, I don't see any pine trees. I don't see any hackberry trees, but something's hitting this. It could just be a long time since it's been cleaned. But once we actually do this, the coefficient of friction will be much higher. They will not have an issue of slipping. But not only does it keep the place looking good and keeping it, you know, looking like you're maintaining your home, it's also a safety factor. So you got two things going on: a safety factor, and just you want people to think you're keeping your home up, especially if one day you want to sell it and it looks like this. Yeah, they're going to be looking like, oh my God, what else is not being kept up? So that's why we're here in Murfreesboro, Tennessee, and one of the ritzier areas, making this at least look good and be safer. Big safety. Tim Moore, TLC Pressure Washing.